Hey guys, what's good? Happy Saturday. It is, what is this? This is November, but it's the season. Tis the season. I am in front of Hobby Lobby so that I can start going here and start shopping for my clients for Christmas. As for me, my Christmas tree, we're gonna put the first one up and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do that one. Pretty much the same as I did last year. I'm just switching colors out between both of my living rooms, and I did add chocolate. We are adding chocolate, so I'm hoping they have some of these chocolate suede. They're not suede, I think they're called chocolate flock ball, but they look like velvet ornaments pretty much. I'm hoping they still have some in here. If not, I have some in my Amazon cart that I'm gonna order. And then I did a few pickup orders for some velvet ornaments and some other places because they're really popular this year. They are really popular. Anyway, so that's what we're doing. This is a Christmas vlog. It's time to get everything ready for the holidays, and I'm so excited, y'all. I really am in the Christmas spirit this year. Last year, you know, was not so much because, you know, anyway, I don't even want to, we don't even have to go there. But anyway, I had a lot, you know, you guys know I had a loss in my family, so it changed the spirit of the whole holidays and everything for me. But I'm ready this year. I'm excited. I'm happy. And we already took everything out the attic, so I don't have to do that. We took everything out the attic weekend before last because I went home to see my mom the past weekend, just so that I could you know, see her, because I don't know if I'm gonna be with her for Thanksgiving or not. But everything is down. Once I go in here, get the stuff for my client, their theme is going to be black and white and gold. Super easy. They have plenty of black, white, and gold ornaments all over the states. Okay, everywhere you look, that's the popular color, so it's not gonna be hard to find. It's that chocolate that's hard to find. So let's see what we can do. They have these small chocolate stems, but this is all they had left, so I'm gonna go to another Hobby Lobby. I can't believe they had these. If it'll focus. Okay, aren't they so pretty? I hate I only could get 4. Y'all, why I forgot I went to Starbucks. Totally forgot that I went to Starbucks and got a vanilla bean cream frap. So you know I'm watching my figure. Your girl is 10 pounds down. Shout out to me. I'm 10 pounds down. Let me quit being silly. Anyway, I'm 10 pounds down, but sometimes I want a milkshake. So, you know, I can't have a regular milkshake. For honestly 2 reasons. One, for some reason, after I hit the age of 37, I became lactose intolerant. So yeah, it does not, milkshakes don't agree with my stomach. I do still drink them from time to time, and when I do, I have to just be prepared that it's gonna be one of them nights. But what I do when I go to Starbucks is I get a vanilla bean cream frap. I make them give me almond milk. I let them still do the 2 pumps of the vanilla bean, and I get 4 pumps of sugar-free vanilla syrup, and then add cookie crumbles and the whipped cream. So it's a low-calorie, less carb alternative to a real milkshake, and it doesn't give me the, you know, and it, oh, it's good. So all right, so I had started working on the black and gold tree. I had started with the ribbon. This is why I was at Michael's earlier, because I ran out of ribbon. This is everything that I'm gonna be using on this tree in this room. Not a whole lot. I'm gonna keep this tree pretty simple, I think. So this is the ribbon right here that I got from Michael's. It's just a thick velvet black ribbon. I hate that this flock gets on the ribbon, so I have to kind of like shake it off.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, and that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. Wanna all this, rain is pouring. Wanna
All right, I'm about to add the boxes underneath the tree. I have craft brown, black, and just plain white. So I'm just gonna kind of like mix it up under here. So I have started decorating this Christmas tree in here, which is a 9-foot tree. It's a mess right now. I got everything out, all my ornaments. I didn't do a haul, but I found these off-white ornaments at Michael's. They don't have anymore. I got 2 packs. I also ordered these chocolate ornaments off of Amazon. Aren't they freaking gorgeous? Oh my gosh, they're gorgeous. And then I found this cute little reindeer right here at Hobby Lobby. It's a tan suede color that's gonna go perfect. You guys see my colors. So this is the reindeer. Do you see the vibes? Do you see the vibe? And then I have these from last year that I don't think I used. I don't think they even sell these this year because I haven't seen them, but I'm so glad I have them. And then I started putting my ribbon up in my tree. So we're doing chocolate, tan, cocoa, ivory, and champagne. That's the theme that we're going with this year. So you guys will see me do that. And then I bought this little champagne colored cone at Hobby Lobby because the one that I have, which is this one right here, is more gold. So yeah, and then this is the old reindeer. So I haven't decorated this area yet, but it's coming together. So y'all gonna decorate with me. It's not gonna be organized like usual. It's just gonna be vlog style, okay?
It's white outside and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a
I'm almost done with the tree. I bought some more champagne ornaments to go with the tree today because I just feel like it needed a bit more glitter going throughout it. I don't know, can y'all see these? The like shiny ones. Anyway, so the mantle garland I'm about to get ready to do, put this up on top of the mantle, and it's gonna be a bit simple. Almost like last year, I think but I think I'm gonna have a bit more things in it than I did last year. But it's gonna keep in the same theme with, you know, my chocolates and my ivory and my champagne. So this is the same garland that I had last year. Y'all remember the story, right? The Kirkland story that I had to go through to get this garland. But this year I was a little ahead of the game, and I got an extra piece like a month ago just in case I needed more. So let's try to put it up. Well, I gotta take stuff off the mantle first. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna leave these here.
So much love, and with joy and laughter, let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. All snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. Snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you.